Um, Hello. Today we are showcasing the new update in Heroes Battlegrounds. So first, Jet Engine got a new move called Jet Storm. It has a finisher, and yeah, that's pretty much it to him. And this is the move. That's pretty much it. Just a big old dash. Good for movement. This is what the move is for. Really good. One.
Diabetes!
Oh my god. And this is the finish.
Diabetes!
Yep. Okay. And the new character, human early access, human architect. No spawn animation, but good moves. And so the first one is renovation. Pull out a gun. See that slow motion. Speed. See it in slow motion. Can't see the gun. Sure.
Diabetes!
That's the normal speed for some reason. But it's cool. Bro. And dirty work is really cool. You spawn over, you jump. Damage 13. Crazy. You can use the pillar as a wall. Yeah, like wall combo. It does range. It could hit like right here. Wait. It's right there. Some more range. Downside. Right. And then the I don't know what this is called. Yeah, you just oh my god, LeBron. If you ragdoll the deck, use the first move, it's a combo extender. Like that.
Diabetes!
Doesn't kill lots. Wait. That is 62 damage. Holy. What is it like with the wait. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Okay. This is the combo without the combo. that is so much less. Oh my god.
Free diabetes! Free diabetes!
I didn't realize he put a spike.
Free diabetes!
Spike.
Free diabetes!
Okay. It's nice that the M1 has range. It hits from here. Oh my god, that's crazy. Yeah. That's everything to the update. No animation, but bye bye.